Hello XRP holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Welcome back to another video of the XRP update. My friends, in this video I'm talking about the latest update of the XRP Ripple coin. My friends, I hope that everything going good in XRP Ripple coin. And you know what, especially today I'm talking about the today update of the XRP Ripple coin. Today, the previous 24 hours is the absolutely a good day for all XRP holders. Why today is a good day for XRP holders? Because you can see here, my friends, that 24 hours changes of the XRP is positive 3.05%. My friends, that's mean that the price increased with a percentage of 3%. 3% is the good profit for all XRP holders, my friends. Celebrate it, my friends. Today is the celebration time. Personally, I'm very happy to see this kind of changes of the XRP Ripple coin, that the changes of the XRP is positive. 3% the price increase just in the last 24 hours. In other side, if we talk about the price of the XRP, so the price is very low. But my friends, very soon they are going to hit a $1 my friends. And especially in the last of this month, higher possibilities to the last of 2021. That XRP will going to hit a $1 my friends. My target for XRP is $1 to the last of 2021. Anyways, let's see the price chart. You know what, my friends, personally I'm very happy to see this kind of positive changes occur in the XRP price. You can see a massive gains occur by XRP in the last 5 days of this week. So my friends, XRP is now in the profit. Celebrate it. Congratulations to all XRP holders. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates and for more news videos about XRP. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel.